5 common money expressions used by native speakers. These expressions will help you become more confident in financial conversations and improve your overall fluency in English. Let's get started. Expression 1, in the red. Expression number 2, burning a hole in one's pocket. Expression number 3, pinching pennies. Expression number 4 is to cost an arm and a leg. Expression number 5, rolling in dough. In the red. When someone or a business is in the red, it means they have a negative financial balance or are experiencing a financial loss. For example, if a company's expenses exceed its revenue, you can say the company is currently in the red due to declining sales. Burning a hole in one's pocket. When someone has money that is burning a hole in their pocket, it means they have a strong urge to spend it quickly. For instance, if you receive a bonus at work and you can't wait to buy something, you can say, this extra cash is really burning a hole in my pocket. I need to go shopping. Pinching pennies. When someone pinches pennies, it means they are being extremely frugal or careful with their spending, especially to save money. For example, if you're trying to save for your trip, you can say, I'm pinching pennies by cooking at home instead of eating out. To cost an arm and a leg. When something costs an arm and a leg, it means it's very expensive. For instance, if you're talking about the price of a luxury item, say a luxury handbag or a luxury car, you can say that designer handbag or that Ferrari costs an arm and a leg. Lastly, we have rolling in dough. When someone is rolling in dough, it means they are extremely wealthy or have a lot of money. For example, if someone is talking about a successful entrepreneur, they can say, after launching that tech startup, he's now rolling in dough. Congratulations, you've just learned 5 common money expressions that native English speakers use in their daily conversations. These expressions will help you navigate financial discussions and sound more fluent in English. If you found this lesson helpful at all, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to my channel. Keep learning. Goodbye.